Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video by me, Steve Clues. And today I'm reviewing the Oukitel K5. But first, roll those titles. Right now, this is the phone here. But first, before I show you the phone, I'll show you the different things that you get inside it. You get a USB cable. The pen. This is for taking the SIM card out of the phone. You get the instruction manual and a warranty card. You get a UK charger plug. And the phone itself comes with a screen protector on the front and in a case, which is unusual because you don't normally get a case of the phone. I think I'll just turn it off and just to show you how long it takes to actually turn back on again, to reboot. The phone, it looks like, I would say, the Samsung Galaxy S9. This is a 5.7 inch screen with 2 GB of RAM and a 1.5 GHz quad-core processor. It takes micro SD cards as well, which is quite good, and it's micro SIM cards, so you can't use many. You have to use a micro SIM card. Here at the bottom here, that's the charger port. You get 2 speakers here. At the top here, you get the headphone jack. And the sides are the volume control and the power off and on. Right now, it's on. So I'll knock the screen so I can show you. The screen looks quite good. Quite good quality, really. I mean, you can pick these up on Amazon for just under £100. It's just not too bad, I don't think, for the money. The battery seems to last quite a while, and it's actually 4G as well, the phone is. It's got Wi-Fi, and it's got NFC, and it's got Bluetooth, of course. It's got a built-in flashlight, and at the back you've got the flashlight. You got your fingerprint sensor. That's basically to lock your phone and stuff like that. And you've got 2 cameras. What this is basically is it takes a picture. You can get a better shot. Basically, that's the reason why it's for. It's so you can get a better shot when you're taking pictures. It's got Android 7.0 on it. It does look like quite a good phone for the money. I mean, it's not a bad phone. I'll just try to show you what it's like on YouTube. This is YouTube. I mean, you always get these ads on YouTube, it does me head in. No, this is sound quality. The phone itself, I mean, it does feel quite heavy. The sides here and all are stainless steel. It's basically stainless steel and plastic mixed at the back. It's plastic. But it does like feel and look like an expensive phone. When I first saw it, I thought, wow, for the money, I mean, you can't go wrong. So that's the conclusion of the Oukitel K5. You can buy these on Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to buy this phone. And I'm really good that it comes out with a case. So you haven't got to get a case. That's one of the good things about this. Oh, there's one more thing I've got to show you before I go. The USB cable. Oh, you're gonna find this really weird. To explain to you better, I've done this. I've unwrapped it. This is the USB cable. Right? Notice how long it is. Right, and this is the other one, a normal one. For some reason, they've made it longer, so you can't just buy a micro USB cable and plug it in your phone. So what you have to do is you have to buy one. If this breaks, you have to buy one of these. And you have to cut a little bit off at the end of it. It's just stupid, but I don't know why they've done that. That's a bit of a. I think they're trying to make you buy their own brand. I think that's what they're trying to do. But to say all you got to do is cut a little bit off, but I don't know why they've done that. It's just stupid. I've never seen that before in my life. I mean, why would you do that? But apart from that, hope you enjoyed this review. Can't get words out today. Review, yeah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.